Hello, this is Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this video, we're going to tackle an important aspect of your operations, budgeting for maintenance. We'll be discussing how much you should allocate for equipment upkeep based on factors like your total replacement asset value. We will also reveal how equipment lifespan and cost can affect your maintenance budget. So, stick with us to gain valuable insights that could help you make informed decisions about when to spend on maintenance and when to invest in a new asset. So how much should you budget for maintenance for your equipment? The answer might surprise you. It's about 2 to 5% of your total replacement asset value, also known as RAV. This percentage is a key performance indicator that guides facility and maintenance managers. It helps you decide when to spend money on maintenance and when it's time to invest in a new asset. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. One of the less obvious parts of maintenance cost is equipment cost. This includes everything from spare parts and consumables to entirely new assets. When we talk about equipment cost, we're also considering how much it costs to service these pieces of equipment. This could be done by your facility maintenance team or by the equipment vendor. It also factors in the lifespan of the asset, as maintenance costs will likely increase as the equipment ages. So, lifespan and equipment cost are inversely related, which means your equipment budget within a maintenance budget is always changing. So, how can we quantify equipment cost? One method is to compare maintenance cost, or MC, to the replacement asset value, or RAV, of your equipment. This is expressed as a percentage. In essence, we're comparing how much it costs to make repairs, perform routine maintenance, and replace parts on an asset to how much it would cost to replace the entire asset. Here's an interesting fact. The world-class standard for RAV percentage is anywhere from 2 to 5%. A RAV percentage between 2 and 5% allows maintenance planners to estimate the necessary budget for equipment maintenance. This budget shouldn't exceed the facility's RAV. However, there are a few important points to keep in mind. First, RAV percentage isn't a one-size-fits-all rule for every industry. Some industries need to budget more for their equipment because their equipment naturally costs more or requires more intensive maintenance. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure you understand what a world-class RAV percentage looks like for your industry. Second, it's possible to have a very low RAV percentage and still be inefficiently performing maintenance. For instance, a low RAV could be achieved by cutting all but one maintenance technician in a facility. This is clearly not a good solution. Therefore, tracking RAV percentage over time helps a facility understand how its maintenance costs need to change and how much more or less money they need to allocate to equipment costs. Lastly, it's crucial to continually evaluate the lifespan of your equipment. RAV percentage should never be a static figure, which means your equipment costs can increase or decrease over time in a 20-year plan. Be sure to account for these changes by understanding the specifics of your assets. So there you have it. Understanding your budget for maintenance is a balancing act between RAV percentage, equipment cost, and the lifespan of your assets. Keep these factors in mind and you'll be well on your way to efficient and effective equipment maintenance. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of budgeting for maintenance, the concept of replacement asset value, and how equipment cost and lifespan affect your maintenance budget. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our tools and resources for maintenance and reliability teams, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you be more successful in your operations.